Every Friday is Old School Friday at Club One's Royal Ascot. Join Rampage as we take you down memory lane from the 70s to the 80s into the 90s with club classics. Come this Friday and be in with a chance of sitting in the private VIP suite at Beyonce's Mrs. Carter Show World Tour at the O2 Arena in Greenwich. Go online now and join facebook.com/Club One Ascot and hit the like button. Be in with a chance of winning those tickets. For VIP table and birthday packages, text 07568 175 463. Once again, text 07568 175 463. So, that's a date for your diary. Every Friday at Ascot's premiere night. Club One, High Street Ascot, SL5 7JF. Old School Fridays at Ascot's number 1. It can only